Hello children, today I am going to teach you mathematics of class 4 lesson 5 subtraction. Exercise 5C subtraction with borrowing. We will start a bit subtract. First question, 5326 minus 1758. We will start from ones place. Here 6 is smaller than 8. You cannot subtract, you have to borrow from tens column. So 2 minus 1, 1 you write here, and this becomes 16. 16 minus 8, 8 you write here. Now in tens place, 1 is smaller than 5. You cannot subtract, so you borrow from hundreds column. 3 minus 1 you write here 2, and this becomes 11. 11 minus 5, 6. Now hundreds column, you see 2 is smaller than 7. You cannot subtract, you borrow from 5. Here 5 minus 1 you write 4, and this becomes 12. 12 minus 7, 5, and 4 minus 1 you write here 3. So your answer is 3568. Number 2, 7001 minus 5264. We will start from ones column. Here 1 is smaller than 4. You cannot subtract, you borrow from tens column. But here in tens column 0, and in hundreds column also 0, so you cannot borrow from hundreds column also. Now you will move on to thousands column. You borrow 1 from thousands column, that means 7 minus 1 you write here 6, and this becomes 10. Now you borrow 1 from this 10 and make this 10. This becomes 9. Now for ones column you borrow 1 from tens column, so this you cut it and write here 9, and this becomes 11. 11 minus 4, 7 you write here, and here it is 9. 9 minus 6, 3. Can you see 9 here? Here also 9. Circle it. Now 9 minus 2, 7. 6 minus 5, 1. So your answer is 1737. Next question. You can see here 5000 minus 2172. We will start from ones column. Here in 0 is smaller than 2. You cannot subtract. You borrow from tens column. So tens column also it is 0. You cannot borrow. Now you move on to hundreds column. Here also it is written 0. You cannot borrow from hundreds column also. Now you move on to thousands column. So from thousands column you can borrow 1 from it. So 5 minus 1 you write here 4. You cross this 5, above it you write 4. Now if you have borrowed 1 from this, so this becomes 10. Now you can borrow 1 from this 10, so you cross this and write here 9, and this becomes 10. Now you can borrow 1 from tens column, so you cut this 10 and write here 9, and this becomes 10. Easily you can do now. Now 10 minus 2 you write 8 here, and 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 1, 8. Here it is 4. 4 minus 2, 2. So your answer is 2828. Bit B, arrange in columns and subtract. First question, 7000 minus 5321. You arrange like this and put minus sign here. Now you subtract. You will start from ones column. Here it is 0. 0 is smaller than 1. You cannot subtract. You have to borrow from here in tens place also 0. Hundreds place also you can see 0. So you borrow from thousands place. So this becomes 6. Now you know it how to do. What you will write above this, you will write here 9, and here also you will write 9, and here you will write 10. You know how you got 9 here. Now 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 5, 1. So, your answer is 1679. You can see the second question. 4500 minus 1637. You write the numbers like this, then put minus sign here. Now we will start from ones column. As 0 is smaller than 7, you cannot subtract. You borrow from tens column. Here also 0. Then you move on to hundreds column. And here 5 minus 1, 4 you write here. Now this becomes 10. 10 minus 1, 9 you write here. You have borrowed 1 from here, from tens place. So this becomes 10. Now 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 3, 6. Here it is 4. You cannot subtract because 4 is smaller than 6. You borrow from thousands place. 4 minus 1, you write here 3. And this becomes 14. 14 minus 6, 8. 3 minus 1, 2. So your answer is 2863.